Hey there, just wanna say I'm getting late. Let's go to the job that you fucking hate the most. Let's go. We just now reach. Yeah, I just removed the helmet. That's why my hairs are like fuck. Let's get ready. There, so look at this. Open this station. Start the trading study. Signing off. Oh yeah, I haven't told you. Shit. Let me tell you. I plan every single thing. I plan again. I reschedule every single thing. So step one is going to be I'm going to go back. Oh yeah, I have implemented the correct trading. Okay, and I have discarded the plan which I was going to do the $100 to $8,000 flip. That I'm not ready for that right now because I'm already in a negative what is in a losing streak, and if I just do that, it's a slam on my door. Slam on door on my face. So I will be conservative. I will just risk 10-20%. I will just be in the game until this finish. What I have planned again? So there is remember we were doing $102 million flip, right? Let me just do the selfie. Remember we were doing the $102 million flip. So that was like lecture, okay, 2.0. So it will get like I was in a 7th lecture, right? So the total is 13 lectures. So I'm gonna continue again from 7th lecture. So today we are going to do the 7th, tomorrow 8th, like this. Every single day one lecture per day we're going to do until that lecture finish. Then after that 13, after that lecture get finished, then again I'm going to start the old $102 million challenge where it fell. So there I'm going to do like a 13 days for one lectures per day, and after finishing that, then again I'm going to see the last lecture, which is of 4 days. It's $1,000 to $100,000 flip. That is what we are going to learn as well. Like it is going to brainwash me, like how to actually take like a high probable setup. Like I know my own high probable setup, but what Alex takes the high probable setup, that I want to know. And by knowing, it's not going to work. By knowing and also practicing, it's going to work like this. So that's the reason I'm adding a lot. So I'm saying that I'm doing this. I'm going to do this lecture, but I'm not saying I'm missed to say that before I do the lecture, I do my own practice, then do the lecture, then again do the practice. That is going to take like 5-6 hours, which is going to take the whole fucking day. So that is what it's going to be. And then after finishing that four lecture, that is the last 4 lecture, that is $1,000 to $1,000 to $100,000 flip. Then we are going to start the 28 videos of the golden videos, that is the analysis videos, Sunday swings video. So that is also we're going to practice my own analysis with his own analysis, and every single day for next 28 days. That is also going to get covered. Then we are going to, after that, then we are going to do the, then up till this period, till August 6th, will be fully brainwashed to ourselves to take the high probable setup. Let me check. To take the high probable setup, to do the actual high probable trading, to have the proper risk management, and then to have the proper right mindset. This is what is going, and I have the fucking practice. This is the most important thing. This is what is going to get happen. Then after that, after doing this, then we are going to start the back testing using all of this information. Start the back testing from the day where we started missing the trades from, that is 17 November 2025. And after 17 November, yeah, Pratik, after 17 November 2025, then we're going to do the practice thing of, look at that. Look at that guy. If you can spot it, I will give you nothing. Man. Alright, so yeah, we're going to start the backtesting from 17 November 2025. After finishing that 28 lectures, that is, after that, then I want to show you, but it will take time. So after that, so after doing this, kadi lagte? Wow, mast tha. So after doing that, after doing 28 lectures, then we're going to start doing the backtesting from 17 November 2025, from the day we started missing the trades. And guess what? It is impossible to miss the trade if I do exactly correct thing. Now this is a correct trading which I'm going to learn. The correct trading, the exact correct trading, right? And then I'm going to do like from 17 November 2025 till 30 May 2025, right? I'm gonna do the whole back testing every single week. I will be having the data of how much I will be earning, how much trades I will be having, this and that and this and that. There is more, so much more than this. So this will be data, and this is going to get finished completely. I probably guess so till August. I need to check, but I remember it. It's still till August. Oh yeah, exactly. No, I remember 100% till August 6th, 2026. It is going to get finished. All of this which I said, and then we're going to start flipping because I will already be get trained to flip the account, trained to see and to predict the market, trained to do the actual correct trading, and trained to be have the right mindset before trading, and so much more than this. Okay, this is on August 6th we're going to start flipping our $100 to $8,000. So I have to be survive till August 6th, taking small trade. I have to preserve this capital, which I'm right now just $200 away from blowing this all of the account. That is $100,000 account. So to blow the maximum loss and just to blow the whole account entire. So that's the reason that is what I said. I'm not ready to take the trade right now. I'm ready to flip the account after August 6th. And after August 6th, while I flip in background, while I flip in a daily basis, I will keep doing the backtesting for just one week of backtesting from 19 June 2023 to up till now, right, 2026. And this is going to take like a, if I just do 1 week of backtesting for a 1 day, within 1 day, it is very achievable, no problem. So it is going to take like a January 2027. So every single thing is planned, and I'm going to stick to this plan. There is nothing else going to come up in middle that hey, do this and do that. No. It is, I have done every single thing, every single distraction. Now this is a plan, and I believe I'm gonna clip this video. I'm fucking gonna clip this video. This plan is going to change the whole entire trajectory of what I was looking and how I was looking and how I should be looking and what not. Let's start, brother. I don't wanna get behind from the schedule again. Let's do it. I probably guess I will do the daily review from tomorrow. Let's do it. Just crazy. Dad, look at this. Look. Oh, this got fallen down. Shit. Now this is shit. This is mud. This is what I wouldn't want to show you, man. Shit, man. So look at this. My subscription got over. Off trading guys, my subscription got over. But I'm still in the replay mode. So I can use the replay mode, keep it until I just don't refresh this page, or don't turn off this feed. I'm just not going to turn off this page for whole working month, one month or two, until I get the new number to do this. So let's do it. Yeah, it's not working. Look at this. When I click on that, it's getting refreshed, and this issue is not going to get solved if we just don't refresh. Shit, there must be some option here. I'm figuring out. Hold on. Yeah, I refresh and it just turns off. So now I have to find the number. Shit, I don't want to miss. How I can find the number? Holy fucking shit. Look at this. We purchased the 30-day free trial of TradingView. And guess what? Well, Bhavesh Bora, the one you might saw earlier in my videos, have helped me by giving his number for OTP verification. I have used all of the numbers, all of the people numbers, but now I just left out, all the numbers for free trial just got over. So I was for other, and I called him. There's a situation, brother, will you just help me by just giving the OTP which is going to come? Don't worry, there is no payment, no, nothing. That's my trust. He was like, yeah, let's go, let's take it. And I'm like, this was so easy. And I was like, fuck, no, he will say no, and now no. But he's like, it was chillax. Yeah, take this number, no problem. And that works. And thank you so much, Bhavesh, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much. You have just wrote the history in my life, helping me one more time for getting 1 month access free trial of. Oh, sounds great, man. Sounds so. Yeah, I got it. Let's start this. Let's start like signing off. Thank you so much, Bhavesh, if you're watching this video. Thank you. Shout out to Bhavesh Bora. Either, so I started doing the backtesting. Let's do it. So today we are going to finish the seventh lecture from the $102 million challenge. Seventh lecture from 13. Total of 13 lectures. From 13 finishing the seventh number of lecture. Look at this. I'm learning from him. So I'm actually learning and practice on my own on the same exact market which is doing trading right now, and also with the beautiful view. Oh my god. And phone is uploading the YouTube videos, that's why this is getting charged with this lap. And that guy right there is a bullshit motherfucking Time pass, boy. Tal, nig. Yeah, look at this. Look at this beautiful view. And look at this. I'm actually shifted over here to track the trade. This is the video which I'm actually watching, and this is a trading analysis which I'm actually doing right now. Yeah. So like we have successfully finished the today's task. It was like 1 hour of work. It was not that much, not 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 3 hours of work which we have successfully finished, and now we are doing the tomorrow's task. So I wanted to go ahead of the schedule. I have jotted down the schedule as it is, like a very 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 crucial, very soft, very easy to achieve. But if we just do it faster, we can achieve this success faster. And also, look at this beautiful. Look at this clouds. Look at that star. Look at that. Look at this beautiful moon right there. The star upside over here. The beautiful sunset has happened, and we are doing the trading study. And doing the trading study after the bullshit motherfucking job is incredible. This life is, I'm just not gonna forget this struggling period ever. Brother, you won't believe how great, how good I'm getting into trading day after day. I literally have, like, I can see this market is so brilliant. So there are some days where the market is so brilliant, and there are some days the market is like not brilliant, like the days are right now having. But the level of the prediction or quicker predictions, I just want to quick predict. I just don't want to like sit like a dumb and just, oh, what the fuck, this is can. No. I want quick. And I see the things that if I just don't play the music, don't play the songs background while I just do the analysis, it just faster the process like anything. My 100% brain is used for doing the analysis, because if you just listen to music, 50% brain is used for listening, analyzing, and also sometimes singing. Yeah, this, and while singing, while I do the backtesting. So 50% brain get consumed from music listening, singing, and
It's
feeling washed and
1945.
feeling good about music. And second, half 50% brain is used for trading analysis. So I like this the way I have done. That is no music. It just increases the fucking process right here. So I keep continue to do this trading analysis, man. We're going in. We're going all in, brother. My song going to give so big, like this is just the start. Fucking start. That's now my part is done of analyzing the currencies. Now the other part is to just start the lecture, see what his analysis is, and instantly stop the lecture. Once I see is there any currencies which is not matching, first of all I will see my shortlisted currencies are getting matched with his currencies or not. If yes, awesome. If no, then I will figure out why. And is there any currency which I haven't shortlisted, which he have shortlisted? I will just take the name of that currency, and I will go and I will do the whole analysis by myself. I will pause the video. I will just not move it ahead until my analysis is finished. Once my analysis is finished, then I will do the full trading of my own trading style, the way I'm trading right now. I will do the whole trading for that particular week, and after I will be having my own data, then I will go to the video and then resume the video and then see his trading, then he see his thought process, then see his entries, see his exits, see his analysis for the ongoing currencies, ongoing week, and then I will try to see is this all is getting matched with my thing. If not, then there is actually learning is getting up, because the question needs to get solved why it haven't got matched. If I'm doing exactly correct thing, it should get matched, right? So that is how I'm actually learning, rather than just doing the lectures how he took that trade. But even though you know that he took that trade, and even though you know why he took that trade, it is completely different world if you just go back by yourself and do your own analysis. It is completely different world. And 99% of people just watch the lectures, and only 1% people do the practice, do the analysis on their own, and then watch the lecture. And that 1% is only gets it, because it requires work, my dear brother, and no one wanted to put the work. Everyone want to just sit, relax, and just lay down and just do nothing and just see the, like, it is fucking going to do nothing. It's like a you saw the lecture of swimming, but you haven't even swim yet. It will be completely different world when you just enter into the water. You will fucking get drawn, right? You will get down into what underwater, even though you know how to swim, even though you have done the lecture of how to swim and whatnot. It's completely different world. That is why you need to do the practice, and I've understand this, you know. I understand this. That's why I'm actually using this strategy. Let's do this. Right now it's 1948. We came up here at probably like 5 o'clock, 5:15. Let's consider 5:30, 5:30, 6:30. It was 1 hour. It's completely was mess with the subscription and whatnot. And from 8:30, 16:30. That means 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. No, 7:30. 1 hour. Within 1 hour, we pretty much going ahead. You know, good going. So I probably believe let's go down because I'm fucking thirsty right now. Because while I do the analysis, I'm fucking speaking. You know, hey, this looks good. Hey, because it actually keep me on going. Because if I just don't, you know, like if I just stop and do say nothing and do fucking nothing, I just like, okay. It does not actually let me think the way it needs to be. I'm literally doing the analysis like I'm explaining someone, hey, this is not gonna go up, this is not, I believe this is going to do this and this, and I need a break, and it is this is how I'm fucking doing analysis. Like I'm explaining someone to someone that, hey, this is how it looks like. So let's go down and let's continue to fuck do this trading study. So you may be asked, like you may wonder why in the world you standing for like a 1 or 2 hours, brother. Yeah, pretty much 1.5 hours, because now it's about to 8. Look at the time over here, it's about to 8 now. Because I'm having some issue with my stomach, you know, things are not popping out. So my stomach is not getting empty because I'm just sitting all day. I'm just not standing. So it needs to have the stand to, you know, like smoothly come out. Or else I have to waste I literally have to waste 20 minutes in washroom. Like 20 minutes is not even worth it. If the thing is going to get if the thing is going to get like done within 5 minutes, if I stand for like 1 hour and just drink the water, and it will lubricate every single thing, and after doing that the things will get pop up in 5 minutes only, I will do that rather than investing 20 minutes and still it will be not be feeling fresh because it's not done. It's never get done. So that is how I experiences is making me good and good and good. Look at this beautiful moon, beautiful star. I just love this. You know, like this you wanna see the setup? Let me just reduce the brightness because it is also, you know what I mean, Look at this. Look at this setup right there. Oh my, wow. Over here there is a trading study is ongoing. In front of me there is a beautiful scene of the light, and right side of me there is a moon, there is a star, and let me just increase the brightness just a second. And in front of me a coming billion, not billion, a $1 trillion trader is standing. A beautiful $1 trillion trader is standing right now. Crazy. Let's go down. I talk a lot, I know, but I'm a $1 trillion. I'm a multi-trillion dollar guy with a brain, with a multi-trillion dollar brain. I just don't have money. It is going to come because my brain first have to be run on the frequency of multi-billion dollar entrepreneurs, and then it is going to, then money is going to get show. All right, so let's go. 7 of me turning this $100 into $1 million.